Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can make the product image smaller on your Dawn theme on your Shopify store. So here, as you can see on my Shopify store, you can see the image or the product image is a bit larger. So if you want to make it smaller, well, basically you just need to go here on the homepage of your Shopify, and then here, you want to go here on online store and then go over to your themes. Now here on themes, so select on Dawn theme and then click on customize. So once you are going to the editor, as you can see now, you just have to go to the product page. So click on the catalog and then select on the product. So there you go. Now here you have two ways on how you can basically make it smaller. So the first one here is by going to the product information. So the two ways is probably seeing here on product information. So you just need to go here on media section right here and then under desktop media width here, as you can see, the large option is selected. So if you want to make it smaller, you can select medium, just like this, or you can go with this small. So here, as you can see, your product image is now smaller. Now, the second way here is by going to at the bottom. So we just need to scroll down a bit and then you just need to go here on image zoom. So basically you have an options here in the drop down menu. So if you want to make it smaller, you can select no zoom. So yeah, that's the two ways on how you can make your product image smaller on Shopify store. So don't forget to save by clicking on the save button at the top right. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.